Writing an algorithm. The construction of the algorithm is the stage which requires creative thinking and finding the best possible combination of steps to get the result. For example, A. Algorithm to find product, sum and difference of two numbers. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read two numbers and store them in A and B. Step 3. Multiply two numbers A and B. Step 4. Print the product. Step 5. Add two numbers A and B. Step 6. Print the sum. Step 7. Subtract the number B from the number A. Step 8. Print the difference. Step 9. Stop. B. Algorithm to find the smallest in two numbers A and B. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Read two numbers and store them in A and B. Step 3. Compare number A and B. If A is less than B, print A is smallest and go to step 5. Step 4. Compare number A and B. If B is less than A, print B is smallest and go to step 5. Step 5. Stop.